Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Place 12 large eggs in a saucepan and cover them with 1 inch of cold water. Bring to a rolling boil, then remove from heat, cover, and let stand for 10 to 12 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes. This quick chill helps prevent that green ring and makes peeling much easier. Gently tap and roll each egg, then peel under cold water for smooth results. Now for the heart of our deviled eggs, the creamy filling. Carefully have each peeled egg lengthwise and scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a medium bowl. Mash them thoroughly with a fork until no large lumps remain. Then, add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything until it's wonderfully smooth and perfectly combined. With our delicious yolk mixture ready, it's time to fill those waiting egg white halves. For a professional touch, spoon the mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. This creates a lovely, decorative swirl. If you don't have a piping bag, no worries. A small spoon works just as well to neatly fill each cavity. Make sure each egg half is generously filled, creating a beautiful mound. Arrange your perfectly filled deviled eggs on a serving platter. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to make your deviled eggs truly shine. A light dusting of paprika over each egg adds a beautiful pop of color and a hint of flavor. For extra freshness, consider sprinkling finely chopped fresh chives or parsley. If you like a little kick, a tiny dash of your favorite hot sauce can be a wonderful addition. Chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to enhance their flavors. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.